outside Belfast yet, but near. Anyway, I'm gonna see you later, guys, when I arrive to Dromore. Hello, guys. Now, officially, I have started. Oh my god, that was very dangerous. You know, this motorway, I don't like it because it's very dangerous to go from one side to another side, you know. Anyway, officially right now I have started the delivery, and we are in Dromore here. And as I said, this delivery is 2.5 hours. And Dromore is a nice town, and we're gonna be doing the delivery in Dromore itself, I guess, and the countryside of Dromore. And Dromore has the same landscape that
turn left onto Forthill Road,
that
430.
that beautiful Newry has. Lots of hills, green hills, and do I have to turn left? Yeah, have to turn left. All right, nobody behind me.
In half a mile, make a U-turn on Forthill Road, U430.
Yeah. Oh my god. One thing about Dromore or about Northern Ireland countryside is gonna be the narrow roads, as you see, or as you have heard in my previous video. If you are one of my followers or one of my viewers, you definitely heard me before complaining about the roads here in Northern Ireland. But it is very expected for those roads to be this way, or for these roads to be this way, because they are just agricultural countryside roads. So I don't expect.
Make a U-turn on Forthill Road, U430. Then in 150 feet arrive at the destination on your left.
I don't expect them to be perfect, you know. I think we have just arrived for our first delivery site. This poly bag and envelope 46 envelope. That's one of the things that pisses me off about Amazon. See this yellow sticker? They are sticking it on the top of the delivery number. Okay, 46. See again. And that actually takes a while to reveal the number. This is 46. Let's go to see where is our body bag that I should deliver also. It's very nice countryside house. Okay, 46, and the body bag is 02. It's the wrong one. Let's find another 02. Yeah, I found both of them. Look at this nice house. And if you see, the view is awesome. super awesome. Alright guys, let's do a maximum effort. I used to watch a cartoon where the guy in the cartoon says, no, it's not a cartoon, it's Deadpool, says maximum effort. Let's do a maximum effort. Do our best to finish early.
Due west on Forthill Road, U430, then in half a mile keep right.
That's exactly what I was afraid of. Somebody comes and not to be able to stop, but partially happened. Like somebody came and I was thankfully able to stop. Look at this road. Now that's why
then arrive at the destination.
I have to just slow down in driving through here. Oh, looks like we are gonna see lots of nice houses today. We are gonna see lots of nice houses. Alright, this is book folder 85. Here it is, so close, it's not far away. And they have my favorite car. I like this car, it's electric. I wish if I have it. It's from Bijut. Wow. And even they have a bench outside here to sit. That's nice.
Navigation started. A U-turn, then make a hard right turn onto Forthill Road, U430.
I don't need to make a U-turn. You just need to turn left directly, not to go right and then to go left.
C360. Right onto McGarrabeck Road, C360. Then in 150 feet turn right.
Wow, fabulous. See, Google Map tells me to go right and make a U-turn and to come left. I don't want to do that. I just want to go there. Oh, it asked me to do that.
Southeast on McGarrabeck Road, C360.
It asked me to do that for a reason.
C360.
Because there is a delivery there. It asked me to do that for a reason.
In 400 feet turn left.
You need to be careful for these kind of roads or entrance driveway, you know, because this is a house and this is another house.
Turn left, then arrive at the destination on your right. Arrive at the destination on your right.
Small box plus envelope number 19. Envelope number 19 plus 18. 19, I have 19. I 0202. I'm sorry, I'm recording. I'm recording for my YouTube channel. All right. As I said before, and I am saying that again, you need, if you are recording, you need to tell people about that. And if they refused to be in your video, you need to just either to remove them from the video or to blur them out, and which is the thing that I have done in one of my videos that I am actually uploading them right now. I have a series of delivery videos that they are scheduled these days, to be honest, on YouTube. And people, but when you see this video, it's gonna be already there that I blurred out a grandmother with her grandson, because they didn't ask me to remove them, but I thought it is nice to remove them or to blur them out, especially there is a child with that woman. Me myself, I have a daughter now. She's a newborn, and I love her even though she's almost 1 month old. So I don't want somebody to put my daughter in his videos. So it's out of courtesy. I have done that out of courtesy, you know. Oh, we're gonna go to that house because it's nice. I don't know, maybe
Navigation started. South on a driveway for 900 feet. Left. Then in 250 feet turn left to enter a private road.
And they have opened it.
150 feet turn left to enter a private road.
The smell is very bad, you know. I think because people nowadays, they are fertilizing their lands or their farms. It's very bad, you know.
In 150 feet arrive at the destination on your right. Arrive at the destination on your right.
Yeah, it is the house that I was talking about a few moments ago. It's nice property. Oh my god, the smell is unbearable. Oh my god. Oh shit. Unbearable. It's very bad. It's a very nice big house. I like it. Oh my